This video is going to walk us through the installation of mBlock 3 on a Chromebook. Currently, I have the infrared remote default program on my mBot where I can make it go forward, back, left, or right. But let's put on the mBlock program so we can code. First off, let's go to mBlock in our Google search, and we're going to take the first hit where it is Scratch Coding mBlock software. Here we go. And I want to take a look at the mBlock for PC, which is on the left-hand side here. All right. And for consistency's sake, we're going to pick the mBlock 3 because currently mBlock 5 is in beta form and does not have Chrome extension. So we have to pick mBlock 3. And there is the install for Mac, for Windows 7 and 10, and Windows XP. If you scroll down a little bit, we'll find there it is, Chrome operating system for Chromebooks. And that's what we want to download. Now when I hit download, it's actually just going to put me into the Chrome Web Store, which is another place where we could have gone. And if we would have typed in mBlock, we'd be in the exact same place. So we want to add to Chrome. And yes, we want to add the app. Give it a couple seconds. There it is. It's installed, ready to go. Okay. So if I go to my app launcher on my Chromebook, bottom left-hand corner, we'll now see the mBlock app that has been installed. Easy place to get to it. And I could also just launch it from here. I'm going to close down some windows. I don't need these tabs. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to go down to the app from my app launcher, click on mBlock. It is installed. Nice, quick, and easy. Now wait for it to load here. A couple seconds. Give you a few tips to get you started here. All right, this looks very similar to the Windows version of mBlock 3. First thing, top right-hand corner, let's connect this. You'll see that we have a few options. Now, the only one supported on the Chromebook is by USB. Okay, so USB. Now, I'm going to plug in my mBot with the USB cord, and I'm going to turn it on. And when I do that, you'll see that it automatically will detect it, and then I can press the connect button. Okay, so it now says connected. Very important. I click back on here, I can see it can disconnect. mBot mCore, let's make sure that is selected. And when I click on this here, you'll see our interface for programming. Okay, and if I go back to connected, you're going to see down below here the firmware. We have to put on the mBlock firmware for this program. Below it, you'll see for the infrared remote, that's how you put the default program back onto the mBot when we're done or when we want to restore it. For now, let's click on the for mBot, for the mBlock. Doesn't take too long. It's going to upload, and here we go. Almost there. Okay. We're now ready to code. So you have a few options on the side. Robotics, let's pull out the mBot program beginning block. We have some controllers where we can pull out, let's say, a forever block, so we have an infinite loop. And I also like to pull out the if-then statement because I like to say, if I press the button on my mBot, then do something. So I'm going to put out the if/then block. I'm now going to go to robotics and I'm going to find the button pressed. Scroll down a little bit. There it is. I see it. And I'm going to place it in this middle block here. So it's going to run a loop. If the button is pressed, then do something. Well, I'm going to make a little quick program here. Let's run the motors. Let's make it go forward. 255 to make it go forward as fast as the motors will turn. Okay, and if I go to control, let's get it to turn for maybe a second or two. So I'll put in a timing block so that we turn it on and then we wait. And just so that we don't run the motors forever, let's turn it off. Okay, and let's get the motors back down to 0. So there's our program. It's going to turn on. We're going to press the button. It's going to turn on the motors. It'll wait. It'll turn off the motors. And then it's going to wait again until we press the button. We can upload to our Arduino, which is our the core for this mBot. And we just wait. It's going to compile nice and quick here. All right. After it compiles, then it will upload to the mBot. All right. Here we go. Oh, there it is. Uploading nice and quick. We're not waiting too long. All right, I can now go to my mBot. I can unplug it. The program is already running. And so when I press the button, there it is. Thanks for watching.